Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well, especially in this COVID time. This video is about BUTTI GME course and top colleges for doing this course and why sponsorship is important before doing this course. So GME is Graduate Marine Engineering course. This is a 1-year pre-C training course and students who have done their BTech in Mechanical Engineering can do this course. After doing this course, you will be able to join the ship as junior officer or junior engineer, and further on your hard work and clearing MEO class exams, you can sail up to a rank of a chief engineer. So hope in this video I will clear all the doubts. Sponsorship means you get guaranteed job. You will be hired by the company before your course. So for this you have to clear the company test, interview and medicals. Never take admission in any college without sponsorship. Otherwise getting a job after course will be impossible. The test will be based on your BTech syllabus. It is impossible to crack the interview without preparation. Most of the students who have cleared the online test are getting rejected in interview. Guys, इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको बहुत ज्यादा तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी. जिन स्टूडेंट्स का ऑनलाइन टेस्ट क्लियर हो जाता है वो इंटरव्यू में रिजेक्ट हो जाते हैं क्योंकि उनकी तैयारी उतनी नहीं हो पाती है. So here I have listed out some top colleges, top IIT level colleges of India which provides you sponsorship. Every college have its own criteria. So the first college is Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy, also known as AMA. It is one of the best and the top institute of the India with the best training facilities. It is run by its own shipping company known as Anglo-Eastern Shipping Management, which is a Hong Kong based company. It has more than 900 vessels. AMA is situated in Karjat, Maharashtra. So for eligibility, you have to score minimum 60% marks in BTech final year and minimum 60% marks in physics, chemistry, math in 12th standard. And for English should be more than 55 marks. And your age should not exceed 28 years. So the next college is Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies. It is also one of the best maritime institute of India. It is run by its own shipping company known as Great Eastern Shipping Company, which is an Indian based company. It has 47 vessels. It is situated in Lonavala, Maharashtra. For eligibility, minimum 55% marks in BTech and 55% marks in plus 2. And for English, you have to score minimum 55 marks. And age should not exceed 28 years of age. Next college is IMS Goa, International Maritime Studies. It is also one of the best institute. They have the tie-up with so many big reputed shipping companies like V-Ships, Scorpio Tankers and so on. And they provide sponsorship before your course. So for eligibility criteria, it is same as the Great Eastern. Next is SIMS, Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies, which is run by its own shipping company ESM, Executive Ship Management. It has more than 150 vessels. It is situated in Maharashtra. For eligibility criteria, minimum 55% marks in BTech final year and your age should not be exceed 25 years of age. The main thing about this college is number of repeats in your BTech subjects not more than 6 and you have to complete your BTech degree in 4 years. Other colleges like IMI Noida and HIMT Chennai. But take admission in these colleges if you are sponsored by any company. So these are the best and the top IIT level colleges of India. Never take admission in any other college without sponsorship. So this is all about GME course. In next video, I will tell you about the interview questions and the exam pattern of these colleges. Till then guys, be safe. Jai Mata Di.